Ever wondered why people say bless you when you sneeze? It's way creepier than you think. In ancient Greece, sneezing wasn't just a bodily reflex, it was a spiritual emergency. They believed that when you sneeze, your soul could literally escape your body. Yep, poof, gone with the sneeze. To stop that from happening, people would quickly say bless you like a magical spell to pull your soul back in before any evil spirits could snatch it. Fast forward centuries, and we're still saying it, not because we believe in soul snatching sneezes, but because old superstitions die hard, mind blown. There's a whole world of weird ancient beliefs like this hit. Subscribe for more strange history.